The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Varna, or 9 miles east of Lakin, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tonic around 8:10 p.m. Streeter around 8:20 p.m. Grand Ridge around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Kangley, Loston, and Leonore. This includes Matthiasson State Park and Starved Rock State Park, including the following Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 52. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.